Hello and welcome to this week's harmonica lesson, which is the first of a two-part series on how to play Somewhere Over the Rainbow on harmonica. So this is a version of Somewhere Over the Rainbow by Rolly Platt, and it's absolutely gorgeous. You've got to listen to the original by clicking on the link in the description below. So for this lesson you're going to need a harmonica in the key of C. We're playing in second position in the key of G. But before we get started, let's listen to what it sounds like. Okay, so let's listen to that first lick and work out how to play it. So first lick sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I like to think of this lick as being in three parts. So the first part, so that's a 2-draw, which we're scooping and just kind of playing a little bend, scooping, releasing it to the clean 2-draw. And you're holding that 2-draw for 2 beats, and then you're going up to a 6-blow, which is an octave jump. I like to do it with a glissando. I think it sounds quite nice. So we'll do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's your first chunk of this lick. The next chunk sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's 6-draw, 6-blow, 5 overblow, 5-blow, 4-draw. So these are triplet notes, but you'll notice that we have 5 notes. So what you're doing is you've got the first 2 notes are the second and third note of a triplet. Don't worry about it too much if it kind of confuses you. Just remember that they start just after the beat. So just after beat 4, we have 6-draw, 6-blow, and then the next 3 notes, 5 overblow, 5-blow, 4-draw. That's a nice triplet sequence. So let's try that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the second half of this, not second half, that's the second portion of this lick. And then we have one more. The last portion sounds like this. 1, 2. Okay, so that's 4-draw, 5-blow, 5 overblow, 6-blow. So same kind of idea. The first 2 notes last a third of a beat, and they start just after beat 2. And then the 5 overblow is an 8th note, as is the 6-blow. So that means they last for half a beat. So let's try that together. So starting just after beat 2. 1, 2. Okay, so we got our 3 chunks of this lick. Let's try putting it all together nice and slowly. So starting on beat 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right, let's move on to the second lick. So the second lick is going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the first chunk starts from a 2-draw, which is a quarter note, and then you have a 1-beat rest, and then you go to a 5-blow for another quarter note. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we have a little 16th note passage, which is made up of 7 notes. So all that means is that we have notes that last for a quarter of a beat, we have a sequence of 4 which land on one beat, and that kind of makes sense. So that's 5 blow, 4 draw, 5 blow, 4 draw. Ba 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 ba. And then we're doing 3 more 16th notes. So just because they're 16th notes doesn't mean that we have to have 4 of them. It just means that they last for a quarter of a note. And that will be 5 blow, 4 draw, 4 draw. Okay, so I'm going to use 2 hands for this so that I'm a little bit more accurate, because that'll really help. So let's try that little portion, starting on beat 4. So 1, 2, 3. Ba 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 ba. Okay, and then we have one more chunk of this lick, which goes like this. 1, 2. Okay, so this starts just after beat 2. We've got 2 triplet length notes. So that's 3 draw and 4 draw. That means they last for a third of a beat, and they start just after beat 2. So that's 1, 2. Okay, and then you have 4 16th notes, 3 draw, 3 draw whole step bend, 2 draw, 2 draw. Okay, so let's do that. 1, 2. Okay, let's try putting all 3 of those chunks together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right, let's have a look at lick number 3, which is going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're going to take that lick, and exactly the same as the first 2, we're going to break it down into 3 chunks. So the first chunk sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's 2 blow, then a little rest, half beat rest, 2 blow, 4 blow, 4 draw, 4 blow, 8th notes, and the 4 draw you're doing a little hand wah on it, and then you're landing on a 3 draw. So really think about that rhythm. So that's ba. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Ba 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 ba. Okay, let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then the next chunk is going to sound like this. 1. Okay, so that's just a little 4-note sequence. 2 draw, 3 draw whole step bend, 3 draw, 4 blow. So you're going to take that 3 draw whole step bend and release it into the clean 3 draw. And think about that rhythm again. So 1, 2, ba 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 ba. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, and then final chunk. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one starts on a 3 draw whole step bend, which is a quarter note, so you're holding it for a whole beat. So you're doing, and then you have a little third of a beat rest, and then you're playing 2 draw half step bend, which we don't do very often, but is very common in melodic playing like this. And then we're playing a 3 blow, 3 draw whole step bend, and then we're scooping into a clean 3 draw, and then moving to a 2 draw. So once again, think about the rhythm of this. Ba, 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 ba. You probably noticed that I'm singing a lot of this. That really helps me to really nail the melody on the harmonica. If I can sing it, then I know I'll be able to play it as well. So let's try that little chunk. Starts on beat 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so those are the 3 chunks of the third lick. Let's try putting it together. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you then, when you're playing over the original, you're going to play that twice, and then there'll be a bridge section, which I'm actually going to teach you how to do next week, because I think you've got enough to be working on with this first section now. So what you can do is, if you want to get the tab and the backing track, as well as an audio clip of me playing each of those licks nice and slowly, all you need to do is click on the link in the description below. Now you can do something for me. You can give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel, because I put out a free harmonica lesson every single Wednesday and I wouldn't want you to miss out. Thank you very much, and I will see you next week. Take care.